Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change the default search engine in Microsoft Edge. Let's have a look now. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Make sure you are using the latest version of the browser for the best experience. In the top right corner of the Edge window, click on the three horizontal dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. Click on Privacy and Services section, scroll down, and click on Address Bar and Search. Here you can see the current default search engine. Click on the drop-down menu to see a list of available search engines. From the list, choose your preferred search engine. Microsoft Edge supports a variety of options, including Bing, Google, Yahoo, and more. Once you have selected your preferred search engine, it will become the default for all your searches made using the address bar. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.